Hello my dear friends, we are discussing about the muscles of the upper limb. Our previous lectures we discussed about the regions of the upper limb, the pectoralis major muscle, pectoralis minor muscle, serratus anterior muscle. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about the subclavius muscle. Its name shows subclavius. We are discussing about the anatomy of the skeletal muscles, right? I had told you I will discuss about each skeletal muscle inshallah in detail. So subclavius muscle, sub means below, clavius means clavicle bone. So here you can see this is your clavicle bone. Beneath the clavicle bone there is a very small muscle and that is called subclavius muscle, right? So subclavius muscle is located beneath your scapula. The subclavius muscle is a short muscle of the thoracic wall. Or we can also say it is a short muscle of the pectoral region, right? Its shape is triangular, little bit triangular, right? It is located beneath the clavicle bone, right? We can see it there and you can see it also here. This is your clavicle bone and this is the subclavius muscle, right? What is its origin? The subclavius muscle gives its origin point, takes its origin point from the subclavius muscle originated by the strong tendon from the sternal end of the first rib. From the sternal end of the first rib, it takes its origin near its articulation with the costal cartilage. Okay, no problem. So this is its origin point, right? And what is the insertion point of the subclavius muscle? Anterior-inferior surface of middle third of the clavicle bone. Middle third of the clavicle bone. Anterior-inferior surface of the middle part of the clavicle bone. It will be its insertion, right? What are its actions? It anchors and depresses the clavicle. It anchors and depresses the clavicle. Look, whenever this muscle will contract, the clavicle bone will go down, so it will depress, right? What is the blood supply of the subclavius muscle? Clavicular branch of the thoracoacromial artery, with contributions from the suprascapular artery. So these two arteries will give branches to the subclavius muscle, thoracoacromial artery and suprascapular artery. Thoracoacromial and suprascapular arteries. And what is its innervation? It is innervated by the subclavian nerve, which arises from C5 and C6. A small branch arises from the superior trunk of the brachial plexus. Superior trunk of the brachial plexus. Again we say that subclavius muscle is innervated by the brachial plexus, right? This was about the subclavius muscle. I hope you enjoyed. Inshallah in the next lecture we will start discussion about the muscles of the back. So friends, we discussed about the muscles of the pectoral region. Let's recap it. In our upper limb we have 6 regions: the pectoral region, the back region, shoulder region, arm region, forearm region and hand. What are the muscles of pectoral region? Pectoralis major muscle, beneath that pectoralis minor muscle, and then there is serratus anterior muscle, and then there is subclavius muscle. So these 4 muscles: pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, serratus anterior and subclavius muscle. So friends, this was about the muscles of pectoral region, their actions, their blood supply and their innervations we discussed. In the next lecture we will start discussion about the muscles of your back. So see you guys there. Till then, Allah Hafiz.